So this is the new Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we are going to unboxing. So let me further begin. I am Anas Singh from Tech to Heights. Let us just begin. So here is the product itself, and if we look at the company here it says Mini X6 music and something about the colors. Nothing here. It just says that it supports memory cards. You can connect your, I would say, headphone, FM, and a USB too. And here it says something about the product features. This thing comes with Bluetooth, pen drive capabilities, some about the sensitivity. It says that 80 dB plus 2 dB. It also has that 3.5 jack, memory card support, and Bluetooth plus with FM radio. So let us just, and here it says that charging time is 120 minutes, so it can almost charge in 2 hours, I would say. Now let us just quickly see what's in the box. So the first thing you will find is the, I would say, cable. Very unique cable. Here you will see the micro USB, and here you will see a normal USB with the 3.5 audio jack. So let us just remove this thing. Then the next thing you will get is the speaker itself. Let us just look at this later, and okay, let us just look at it later. And here is something about the manual. Let us just look at this. Here it says user manual. So here it is in Chinese, but here it is in, I would say, that English. So let us just keep these things aside and have a first look at this speakers. So the thing is that I had tested, and this only is a speaker. There is no speaker present. As you can in the picture, the bass is only here. There is no magnet present. So let me give you a clear overview. Let me zoom in. So here is the speakers, and let us just get back. So here if you see, so here is the voice changing, volume buttons, I would say. And not only volume, this will change the song and videos, the power button, the pause video, pause music, anything. Here is the pen drive capability, micro USB port, memory card port, and for the FM radio, it's still, I didn't find that from where I can run the FM radio. So let us just on this thing. I hope so it had a Bluetooth on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so Bluetooth is on. Let me just connect it via my Bluetooth. So here is the phone itself, and let me just add the password. Let us just go to Bluetooth. Let us just on Bluetooth, and here is it, Mini X6, if you can see, and it is connecting. It is connected. So now let us just have a look at how is the voice quality. So let us just check out Tech to Heights. I don't know if there is something net problems. Okay, while I think there is some net problems, so let us just have a look at this MX player, and let us just play this track. Let us just, so when you hear this sound, this means that the volume is at its full. So here is it, how you get the, I would say, music level. Let us just play another music. Let us just go to this play music. Now let us just, here I had made some playlists currently liking, And again, let us just play song. Let us just increase the voice. So here was it, and now let us just again have a look at another video. I am just making it. Let us just have a look at this.
मट्टी और सिनेमा हॉल मैनेजर क्या है? ये क्या छुट्टी मनाने की जगह है? हाँ?
And even I had that movie, I would say, that is known as If I Found That. Here is it, Deshum.
पहली बार हिंदुस्तानी सरकार ने अपना वादा निभाया.
So the voice quality, I would say, is okay. Let me, if you want to give me another example, here is it. So here was it, and let us just also look at this finally. So this was a quick look at this and unboxing of this Bluetooth speakers. And comparing the price point, it is just 300 rupees, 349 rupees. So you get what you pay. At least you get what you pay. So this thing totally worth, I would say, but the sound level, I think so, is a little bit low to my liking. So thanks guys, this is Anand from Tech 2 Heights. I hope that you like the video. In case if you like the video, like this video. In case if you want to have any ideas, just comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment too, and don't forget to share this video as well as and